What's going on? It's Soliecker here, and these videos that I see about you know, whenever you get fined or you get ticketed or whatever, these are always classic videos. So I'm just gonna play just a little piece of this. I'll leave links in the description below. Go over to Chuck Bronson, go over to his channel, make sure that you let him know that the Armed Fisherman sent you, and let's laugh together watching this video. So without further ado, don't forget, hit that like, share, and that subscribe button. Make sure you like, share, and subscribe to Chuck Bronson, and I'm out. Soliecker, deuces.
Oh yeah, I got a ticket I need to pay.
Yes, what can I do for you?
Do I pay this here?
You want to pay for that?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. It's $52.40.
Okay.
No, don't you dare, don't you dare, don't you dare. I'm sorry, I can't take that.
What do you mean?
I can't be counting pennies right now.
Well,
Here you go.
I called in and you said, I was told that you take all forms of U.S. currency.